Today we'll be installing Torklift camper tie downs part number C3204 on a Chevy Silverado 1500. These tie downs bolt directly to your truck's frame, creating the strongest mounting option possible for a slide-in camper. Proudly made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, these tie downs are powder coated and built to last. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving it a like and subscribing to the channel for any future installs. To start, hold your passenger side receiver up to the truck frame to help locate the holes you'll be using. Remove the bolt in the side of the frame. Then remove the bolts at the bottom of the frame. These bolts will be reused. Lift the receiver into place and reinstall the 3 bolts. Repeat these steps on the driver's side receiver. When you're ready to use your tie downs, slide an insert into the receiver and secure with the provided 1/4-inch snapper pin. Your installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.